Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to solve your camera lag problem in your Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to tap on settings, click on apps. Here it is app management. You have to enable by clicking on this show system apps. Click on search and here you have to write Android system, and here it is. You have to tap on this Android system, click on storage usage, click on clear cache this. Now again you have to go to search and write here Google Play Services. You can see here it is Google Play Services. Click on storage usage, clear cache this, then you can just clear data also, and just click on clear data like this, and then simply press back. And friends, then you have to long press your camera. Friends, you have to click on your camera and you can see here it is 3 lines button. Click on settings, scroll down and you will see restore defaults. When you just do this setting, it will reset your whole camera setting, so it will fix your lag issues. And friends, it will not delete any photos or videos of your photo in your smartphone, so it is basically a reset for your camera. So click on restore and you can see it will reset your whole setting. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.